Hello everyone, my name is Malaka Vishnu, and right now I would like to describe you about narrative text. So let's check it out. So right now I would like to explain you about narrative text. At first, it's about the power of narrative text. So if you want to learn English, we can use narrative. Learning English through story. A presentation on using narrative text and simple past tense for enhanced listening and writing skill, using the classic tale of Cinderella as a teaching example. Another example we can use like historical text. For example, Maling Kundang, Danau Toba, and another example. So narrative text is very useful when you want to learn about English through text. For the next, we are going to know what narrative text is. Narrative text is a type of writing that tells a story, often featuring a sequence of events, characters, settings, and a plot. The purpose of that narrative text is to entertain, inform, or teach a moral lesson. It engages the reader or listener through emotional connection and dramatic structure. For the key elements includes orientation or setting the scenes, complication or the problem, and resolution or how the problem is solved. Now, let's move to the structures of narrative text. A well-formed narrative follows a clear, predictable structure which aids comprehension for language learners. It contains orientation, which is the setting the scene, complication or the problem, and the resolutions of how the problem is solved. The structures provides a framework for both listening comprehension and creative writing exercise.
Hello guys, I'm Anissa Tri Angelia. I will explain the next material. Simple past tense. Simple past tense in storytelling. The simple past tense is the backbone of most narratives, describing actions that happened and were complete in the past. There are three criteria of simple past tense in storytelling. The first actions completed. Use for action that starts and finishes at a specific time in the past. For example, she lives with her stepmothers. The second sequence of events used to describe a series of actions in chronological order. Example, she sat alone and began to cry. The third state of being used for past states or conditions. For example, she was the most beautiful girl. Okay, next to move slides. In simple past tense, there are two verbs, regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs it is at ed. Example, clean, cleaned, love, loves, stir, stirred, marry, married. And irregular verbs it is changed from live, lived, go, went, live, left, find, and found. Okay, that's all for me.
Hello everyone, I'm Salsabila. I will continue to the next slide. Let's talk about Cinderella audio script analysis. The Cinderella audio script is a great example of how a narrative text is structured and how past tense verbs are used in the storytelling. The story is divided into four scenes that follow the classic narrative pattern, such orientation, complication, hissing action, climax, and resolution. In the first scene, at home, the story introduces the main character and her situation. The key verbs like live, treat, love, and wish show Cinderella's daily life and her hopes. In the second scene, Fairy's magic. The rising action begins. The verb like sad, began, filled, and trance highlight the magical transformation that changed her life. The third scene, the royal ball. represent the climax of the story. Verbs such as entered, start, stopped, and was gone show the excitement and tension when Cinderella meets the prince and must leave before midnight. Finally, the next day, the story reaches the resolution and happy ending. Verbs like went, married, and lived show how everything ends happily. Overall, this script helps learners understand narrative structure and verb usage in a clear and engaging way. It not only improves listening skills but also teach how events and emotions can be expressed through simple past tense verbs.
Hello everyone, my name is Rizky Rahmadani. In the next material, I will explain about application of audio drama, script and language learning, using Cinderella as a model for listening and writing skill. Application for listening skill. Using audio drama script like Cinderella helps students focus on pronunciation, intonation, and contextual meaning. And then the application for listening skill. 1. Identify key event. Students listen for the sequence of action, primarily marked by simple past tense. For example, Cinderella lost her shoe. And another example, the friends search for the owner. Students recognize action in the correct time sequence. 2. Recognize emotion. Audio cues such as laughter, sadness, and anger help students infer character, feeling, and plot tension. For example, you can speak in spoke softly, like fairy godmother, and speak sadly, she was worried. The prince laughed joyful when he found Cinderella. Students understand emotion through tone, not just words. 3. Distinguish speakers. Practice identifying different characters. For example, stepmother, friends, fiery, based on voice, tone, and speech style. For example, the stepmother speaks harshly. The friends speak kindly and calmly. Students learn to recognize who is speak through audio cues. And the next material, application for writing skill. The script serves as a model for students to create their own narratives using correct past tense forms and story sequence. The application for writing skill 1. Verb transformation. Students convert present tense action into simple past tense to retell the story. For example, in simple present, Cinderella cleaned the floor. And to past tense, Cinderella cleaned the floor. This practice builds accuracy in verb usage. 2. Dialogue integration. Practice writing dialogues using quotation mark and narrative tags. For example, I wish I could go to the ball, Cinderella said sadly. Another example, don't cry, the fairy godmother whispered. Students learn punctuation and narrative flow. And then, sequencing practice. Students write a new scan ensuring logical flow by using transition words such as suddenly, then, the next day, and finally. For example, suddenly the fairy godmother appeared. And another example, the next day, the prince visited every house. This helps students maintain story order and coherence. And the last, using audio drama script improves. 1. Listening skill, focus on emotion, tone, and event sequence. 2. Writing skill, practice grammar, dialogue, and story flow. Cinderella helps students learn English through creativity and storytelling.
Okay, I'm Hayatul Hadia and I will continue the material. Next, key learning outcomes. By integrating narrative audio scripts, students achieve measurable improvements in core language skills. The first, past tense accuracy. Increase correct usage of regular and irregular simple past verbs in writing. By listening to and relating narrative stories, students learn to distinguish between regular and irregular verbs. The second, listening comprehension. Improved ability to follow plot and identify key information in spoken narratives. When students listen to audio dramas or storytelling, they practice understanding natural English, including intonation, expression, and context. Next, narrative fluency. Enhance skills in structuring and developing original stories with clear beginnings, middles, and ends. By frequently listening to and rewriting narratives, students learn how to organize logical and engine plots, as well as develop ideas into complete stories. Next, conclusion. Happily ever after learning. Narrative texts, especially audio dramas, are highly effective tools for teaching English. They make grammar relevant and engaging, leading to deeper comprehension and better retention. The magic of storytelling transforms language learning from a text into an adventure. This illustrates that learning English can become a creative, imaginative, and enjoyable experience through stories.